How to reply to email on Gmail on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Gmail application on your phone. Once in your inbox, you can view a list of all your emails. Tap on the specific email you wish to reply to in order to open it. Inside the email, look for the action buttons located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the reply icon, which is represented by a single left-facing arrow. This opens a new composition window with the original sender's address already in the recipient field. Now, type your message in the text field. Once you've finished writing, tap the send icon in the top right corner. Your reply will be sent, and you can view it in the email thread. Following these steps, you can easily reply to an email on Gmail on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.